Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 48 algorithm video. In this task we need to find the maximum amount of money a thief can rob from a street of houses. The condition is that the thief cannot rob two adjacent houses. So let's say in a street there are 5 houses. I make a variable money in each house is equal to 10. Now we money robbed. Then I make a for variable for I in range 1 2 houses plus 1, and I give it a step size of 2 since the thief cannot rob two adjacent houses. Money robbed is equal to money robbed plus money in each house. So the maximum money that a thief can rob from this particular street is 30. Now if I change the houses to say 2, and money in each house is 12. So the thief can only rob one house because the second house is the adjacent one and he cannot rob it. So the money he has robbed from this particular street is 12. That is all from my side. Hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.